Everyone, this is Masumjia here. So let's dive into today's insight. Today we will be seeing TypeForm conversion tracking for Google Analytics 4. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to set up your Google Tag Manager, right? So you just need to copy this code and put it on your website header on all of the pages. Then Google Tag Manager setup is done. Then what need to do? Go to tags. You need to set up an event listener code for TypeForm conversion tracking. Go to new tag configuration, custom HTML, and then so now let's get the event listener code. So I have already here the code is here. So as you can see, this is the code, event listener code to set up the conversion tracking for your TypeForm. So we need to set up this trigger on all pages, right? That would be TypeForm. Okay, so now it's time to preview it and time to see if this is successfully firing or not. So now just do one thing, just connect it. So then we can see after doing action on our form, is it just firing event for us or not. Okay, let's see if this is working, our event listener code. Let's start the form. Your name is masumjia. Your email jiaamasum@gmail.com. okay, it should be country's number. Okay, now okay, my company size, just let me just put something, okay, for the okay. So the form is submitted, right, successfully. Let's see this, that as you can see, a form has been shown like event called TypeForm submitted. With the data layer you can see it form ID and other data also. So as you can see, when someone is changing the step, we can track this also, like if an user is changing the step, we can target them on our ads. So that's one option, step change, step change, step change. When finally someone is submitting the form, it called TypeForm submitted event. Okay, so let's set up a trigger this for GA4. okay, so first of all, go to analytics. You need to create an analytics account. So after coming here, come to admin. We need to get the GA4 ID, right, measurement ID. Let's come here and create one new tag, tag new, then Google Analytics, Google tag, and let's come here. That may load. It's a GA4 issue maybe somehow. Let's see if this let it reload to just come. Okay, now it's loaded. Okay, give it a few seconds, it's taking load. So under data collection, you will see an option data stream. Go to data stream and you will get a stream you have already created. So into this stream you will get the GA4 ID, right? Let it open. Okay, that's the GA4 measurement ID. Copy this and come here and paste it here. Okay, paste it, that's done. Paste it on all pages, and save it. Always give it a meaningful name. I'm not renaming it. So okay, now we need to create an event for us, right? When someone is submitting the event, I want to call it generate lead. Okay, so let's say Google Analytics 4 GA4 event. Now you need to put the GA4 ID again. Okay, this is the GA4 ID and event name is generate lead. Okay, that's it. And now trigger is need to create. Click new, trigger configuration, custom event, and let's copy this event, because if this event visible on our data layer on someone is submitting the form, we can rename it, right? We can rename it with that generate lead. Means when someone is submitting the form, this will fire an event on the data layer called TypeForm submitted. When TypeForm submitted visible on our data layer, that means this will fire generate lead event on our GA4, means that will send data to GA4. So then and that means this will fire generate lead event on our Google Analytics. So first of all, need to do one thing: submit whatever changes you have made. Then you need to preview it and see if this is receiving by your GA4 or not. Let's give it a preview. And into your analytics, you need to do one more thing: cross it, and just under data display, you need to go to your data debug view. Okay, there is an option debug view. Let it load. It's taking some moments to load. Okay, our site has been loaded and connected with GTM. Okay, as you can see, GTM is connected successfully. Here, let it. Okay, here you can see a debug view option for you. Okay, under debug view, you will be able to connect a device called Google, as you are using Google's product called GTM. That's why you will be able to test. Okay, give it a few seconds. Here, GTM Google has been connected. As you can see, page view has been successfully fired. Scroll, and now need to do is just start the form and submit the form. Masumjia. Okay, that's it. Okay, then option, I think it's done. Let's submit it. That means our GA4 is submitted an event. As you can see, our event is successfully fired to GA4. Let's see if GA4 received this event. Give it a few seconds. If this is successfully done, GA4 will be receiving an event called generate lead. Yeah, here it comes. As you can see, generate lead event has been fired successfully on our Google Analytics 4. That means our TypeForm conversion tracking for Google Analytics 4 has been successfully done via GTM. So that's it for now. On the next video, I'll be covering the Facebook ads conversion tracking and Google ads conversion tracking for TypeForm conversion. Okay, that's it. Have a good day.